Assalamualaikum and welcome everyone. In today's video, we will talk about message tracking log in Exchange Server 2016. In real-world scenario, a user can do criminal activities through your mail server. A user can also send junk mail or unsolicited mail using your mail server. In this case, as a server admin or security admin, you must know how to track down a con user. Let's see what we will learn in this video. Number 1. Total server message tracking command. By using a command, we can see all the information of exchanging mails of our server. Number 2. Specific user message tracking command. After getting bulk user information, we can also track down a specific user information. All the mail a user sent or received through our server. Number 3. Message ID command. By using message ID command, we can see the whole details of a mail or a specific mail. Let's go to our lab. This is our Exchange server. Let's log into Exchange Admin Center first. Our mailbox is opening, waiting for localhost. Continue to this website. Using administrator credential. Here we can see an administrator user and some general users. First, let's send a mail from James user. To send a mail, we have to log into ECP. Username is James. Here we are logged into ECP. First we will send a mail and then we will find the details of the mail using commands. To user2@macro.com. Subject: meet me after office. We have discussions. This is our subject. James is sending a mail to user2. Hello in our message body. Send. The mail has been sent. We have sent a mail from James user to user2. Now open Exchange Management Shell. we must be connected to our server to perform any kinds of command in Exchange server. First, change directory. By changing directory, we are going to PowerShell mode. The command will work faster in PowerShell. First, we will be using get message tracking log. We can see a list of all the events, all the mail exchanged through our server. Through get message tracking log, you can see the timestamp, event ID, also event ID, source, sender is james@macro.com, recipient is user2@macro.com, message subject meet me after office. Through this log, you can see if any user is sending any unofficial mail to other users. The total list is here. Let's use the second command. In this step, we will be using get message tracking log server. Put your server name. Sender is james@macro.com. File list, sender, recipients, message subject, message ID. Let's use this command. Through this command, we have dug out James user's mail list. Sender James, recipient user2@macro.com, message subject, and a message ID. Every message that is sent by James, the list is shown here. You can see information about sender, recipients, message subject, and message ID. We can find more information through any message ID. Let's copy a message ID and paste it into this text file. We are replacing the command for a specific message ID. Get message tracking log message ID with file list. Total stored file list is showing here. You can see all the information of a specific message that was sent by James user. Dear learners, through these three commands, you can secure your mail server. You may prevent users from criminal activities. Thank you all.